Sometimes I'm quite silly and absurd, so I think you know what I mean. So here goes. In goes a chunk of penis. That wasn't very nice. What's the time? Time to get a fucking watch. Get wrecked. M9. Conversations with David Cameron. Do you want to become Prime Minister?
No.
What do you want then?
I want to fuck a little pig in the face.
A boy said, I'm really glad my mum called me Jack off. I said, why is that? He said, because all the kids at school call me a wanker. I don't know. Woo. Into the mouth. Fuck. Anyway, thank you very much for 3K. Yeah. Don't worry about it.